The fundamental concept in the relational data model is the relational data model was introduced by C.F. Coase in 1970. The relational data model describes the world as a collection of interrelated relations or tables. Relation other name. Relational data model is called as a table is called as a relation. For example, now we can see entity. We called ER diagram. Its name is called entity. In the application, we call the same name as a table. In the relational data model, we call relation. Same thing, tuple we called record. In application, we call records or rows. And instance. In the relational data model, we call in the ER diagram and all we call instance. And tuples in relational data model. Same attribute in ER diagram. Here we call column name or field name. Domain, the values, instance values are called domain. Domain is a value. Value inside this. This is called one value. This is called one value. This is called IT is one value. This is called attribute, or we can call it as the field name. This is column name. This is column. This each one is a column name here. So this is what a column name. How it is there? The set of acceptable value that a column is allowed to a domain. For example, a domain of marital status has set possibility married, single or divorced, or days or called Monday, Tuesday. That is called validation. For example, if I have student name, I cannot give student name as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Student name should be characters and student ID should be some particular digits like that. So the phone number should be 8 characters like that. Some valid information, acceptable values, because if I give the phone number 3 digits or 4 digits, it's not acceptable value. So it is called a validation part. So the values, the original set atomic value to be model data. So the domain value should be acceptable values. That's what he's saying. So here we can call it as, here you can see record or tuple contain fields that are related. Here you see record ID is attribute name, publication date is a date, one attribute, another attribute. So how many degrees are available here? 4. Degree is nothing but 4. Here you can see the number of relationship, the number of the degree is nothing but number of attributes in the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 attributes. So that is called degree of the table. Degree of the attribute of the table. Each one is called a record. Here you see attribute value. This is date data type. This is number data type. Integers are called number data type. This is called character data type. Like that data type is there. Here we can see the data type. Record ID is integer. Publication date is date, data type. Author is text or character. Title is text.